Welcome to class 9 mathematics. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.5. First main, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational number. First one, 2 minus root 5. See, 2 is a rational number, root 5 is a irrational number. If you have to subtract these two, it gives us again an irrational number only. Already we discussed this one. The sum or difference of any two rational and irrational number gives us a rational number. Second one, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Can simplify this one. This is equal to, see, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Plus root 23 minus root 23 get cancelled. Remaining is only 3. So 3 is a rational number. So third one, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. See, root 7 will get cancelled. 2 by 7, this is a rational number. Next one, 1 by root 2 is an irrational number because 1 is a rational number divided by root 2 is an irrational number. So this gives us again an irrational number. 2 pi, this is also an irrational number because pi is a irrational number. Now I am going to discuss second main. First question, second main is simplify each of the following expressions. See, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Multiplication of binomial by binomial because here also two terms, here also two terms. Already you know how to multiply, you learnt in your previous class. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2, that is equal to first term of the first expression and second expression is as it is. Next term, second term with the sign of the first expression, that is plus root 3 into second expression is as it is. Now you have to simplify this one by using the distributive property. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2 plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 gives us root 6. See, this is a 2 root 3, this is a root 6, this is a 3 root 2. If it is possible to simplify, we can simplify. This is a root 2, this is a root 3, this is a root 6. All these are unlike terms, so we have to stop here only. If like terms, we can simplify. All these are unlike, so this is the simplest form of the given two expressions. Now take second question from second main, that is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. This is in the form of, see, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, can be written as a square minus b square. See, this can be written as, see, a plus b into a minus b. A is 3, that is 3 square, minus b is root 3 square, that is equal to 3 square is 9 minus root 3 square, this square and this square will get cancelled. 9 minus 3, that gives us 6. The simplest form of this expression is 6. Take third one. Third question is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Solution for this, root 2 plus root 5 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So already you know this one, already you learnt this one, how to simplify. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square is equal to a square, here a is root 5, b is root 2, root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 2 into, sorry, root 5 into root 2 into b square is root 2 whole square. This is equal to root 5 whole square is, this square will get cancelled, 5 plus 2 root 5 into root 2 is 2 root 10, we can multiply, okay, this is plus, this is plus root 2 whole square is, this square will get cancelled, 2. Now 2 root 10, this is one term, 5 is one term, 2 is another term. 5 plus 2 we can add, these are like terms, 7 plus 2 root 10. This is the simplest form of this one by using the identity. Now I am going to discuss one more piece there in this main only, that is fourth one. Second main, fourth question is root of 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Solution. This is in the form of, see, no, a minus b into a plus b. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b identity. It can be written as a square minus b square. See, a is root 5, b is root 2 here. Therefore, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2 can be written as a square. A is root 5 whole square minus b square is root 2 whole square. That is equal to this square, this square root, this square will get cancelled. What will be remaining? 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 is the simplest form of this question. Simplest form of this question. Now discuss question number 4 from exercise 1.5. Represent square root of 9.3 on the number line. Already you know, I shown one example also. First step is you have to draw 9.3 centimeter from your scale. Draw 9.3 centimeter. 9.3 centimeter length, or you can extend that one. After 9.3, 1 more centimeter you have to extend. 1 more centimeter you have to extend. So this you have to take A, this is B, this is C. This is 9.3 centimeter. AB length is 9.3 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. First you have to draw a line and choose one point on it, that is A. From A to B you have to take 9.3 centimeter. Next B to C you have to extend 1 centimeter, 1 unit. This can be any length, doesn't matter. Okay, so you have to draw a line. On this line take or choose one point A. From A to B 9.3 centimeter, because you have to represent 9.3 square root of 9.3 on the number line. Next 1 centimeter you have to take, and next mention this is a C. BC is 1 centimeter. Next take your protractor. B measures, make AB as a length. Through B measure 90 degree. Measure 90 degree. Otherwise, first you have to bisect this AC. AC you have to bisect. Already you know how to bisect. By taking more than half length of AC, you have to draw arc upside and downside. By using next C as a center, you have to take again arc here and here. So extend. If will not intersect, you have to extend. Now you will get 1 point here. If you have to join or just choose the point, this point is O. O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Now you have to make this O as a center. O as a center. OA and OC as a radius. OA and OC as a radius. You have to draw one semicircle. You have to draw one semicircle. So you know this is a semicircle. Next you have to measure 90 degree by making AB as a base, B as a center. B as a center. 90 degree already here measured. Now we have to draw one line from B that touches the circumference of the circle. See now, this touches the circumference of the circle. Now this will be root of 9.3 by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now you have to give this as a D. Make BD as a radius. Take your compasses. You have to draw one arc till the line from here, from this circumference of the circle till this line. You have to draw either continuous line or dotted line. You have to draw. Yes, by using the BD as a radius. Now you have to take E. This E gives us a root of 9.3 on the number line. E gives us 9.3 on the number line. This is the procedure. Already I shown one. I hope you understood. Otherwise once again you need to practice this one. Now I'll discuss next question, that is question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First one is 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7. Solution for this one is 1 by root 7. Rationalize the denominator is nothing but what? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by this irrational number. This is multiply numerator with numerator now. Root 1 into root 7 is root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 gives us a root 7 whole square, that is equal to root 7 divided by this square will get cancelled. 7 is the simplest form or rationalized the denominator. Second question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. See, two numbers are here in the denominator, root 7 minus root 6. Rationalize this denominator is nothing but what? Write same root 7 and root 6. You have to change the sign here. Plus for both numerator and denominator same root 7 plus root 6. If it is a minus, you have to write here plus both. If it is a plus, you have to write minus here. This is the way to rationalize the denominator. Now multiply numerator with numerator, that is 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 only. Denominator is, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that gives us a square minus b square. A is root 7, b is root 6 here. Root 7 plus root 6 is as it is divided by root 7 whole square is this square and this square will get cancelled. 7 minus, again here also this will get cancelled. 7 minus 6, that gives us root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6 is nothing but what? 1. You may write or leave it. Similarly, next question is rationalize 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Solution 1 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into, rationalize is nothing but what? You have to write into here and change the sign. Now root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. That gives us again 1 into root 5 minus root 2 gives us same only. It is again a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. Here a is root 5, b is root 2. 5 minus root 5 minus root 2 is as it is. We can't simplify this because this is root 5, this is root 2. We can't simplify, as it is you write divided by root 5 whole square. This square will get cancelled. 5 minus, again here also will get cancelled, 2. That gives us root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the simplest form. Similarly, last question from this main is 1 by root 7 minus 2. So 1 by root 7 minus 2. Root is only for 7. In this case, rationalize is nothing but root 7 minus 2 is there, plus 2 right now. Root 7 plus 2. That is equal to 1 into root 7 is root 7 plus 2 divided by a minus b into a plus b is a minus b into a plus b gives us a square minus b square, that is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 whole square. This square and this square will get cancelled. 7 minus 2 square is 4, that is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the simplest form of the given expression. I hope you understood this one. Next period or next video, I'll continue the